go to the documentation, you can use this group filter. So let's use group, and you've seen this. So I'd like, for example, to group by euro, which means that the euro string should be contained inside the name of the symbol that you like to work with. So if I run this function, currently you can see orders total, we have 11 in the tuple, now we have 9, and this is because it doesn't include this GBP and this GBP symbol. Let me confirm if this is the case. Okay, let me run this one. You can see euro, 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 USD, all the orders are filtered by this euro string. So this is how to use the group filter. And here, if you go back to the documentation, you can extract historical orders by their ticket. So for example, you can do something like, let me just, I'll use here mt5.history orders get, and here you can provide only the ticket, you don't need the dates now. Ticket, and let me use this one, 917021. 917021 I think this is the correct ticket, and you can see that it successfully retrieves your historical order by your ticket. And the last thing to do here is to use the position ID. Take a look here. So you can provide the position ticket, and it will retrieve the order information that is related to this position. So if you want to open a position, you first place an order. It could be market or it could be pending, but there is an order associated with your position. If I right click here, now we're working with orders, but I'd like to take a look at take position ticket, for example, this one. And here, if I go back to Spider, let me just change this number and this parameter name. So 913 950 421. Let me run this one, and you can see here that this is the ticket of the position, and you have another one which is something ending on 092, which is the order. I think this is enough for the positions, for orders, sorry, orders, historical orders. You have these three methods to call this function, but I think the most important, and they didn't provide a lot of information here. Let me know if you find any issues, because I'm receiving different comments from visitors of my website, and they have problems retrieving their historical order information. But what you basically have to do is to create a time zone object using the bits module, to adjust your date time object according to this time zone, and to use the starting time and ending time according to your broker's server time, which could be found here. So if you follow these steps, you should be good to go, and everything should work. At least in my case, I'm completely fine with this approach. So in the next video, we have to cover these two functions. I'm going to be really quick on this, because as you can guess, they are very similar to historical orders, total and get. So once we are done with this, we are moving forward to the interesting part, when everything will be combined into a real trading algorithm. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.